When I grow like only grow, and time pass, and flirts of perfect, they will rise all alive.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Epic Hair Review. So today I just wanted to walk you through how I constructed this 13 by 4 24-inch loose wave wig. Now this hair is from Amazon from a company called Angeliques. This is 12A grade Brazilian virgin loose wave hair, and it came with 4 bundles in the package. It came with an 18-inch, a 20-inch, a 22-inch, and a 24-inch. Now I'm just showing you what the quality of the hair looks like. It definitely was smooth. It had a nice texture. The wefts themselves weren't as full as I wanted them to be, but the fact that it came with 4 bundles definitely made it so the final look came out with a good amount of density, so I definitely did like that. I also got the frontal from Ellie's, and this is a 13 by 4 frontal. It's 16 inches. It does list that it came pre-bleached, which it looks like it was very, very lightly, slightly bleached, so I just went in and did my own bleaching off camera. And I did use the L'Oreal Quick Blue bleaching powder, and I did also use the developer that I got from Amazon, which is a 30 volume Privia developer. The knots on this were pretty small, so it took the bleach pretty well. So this is what it looks like after I bleached the knots. It definitely did take the bleach pretty well, and I really like how the curl pattern looked after just adding some shampoo, deep conditioned it, and then I did also use my silicone shampoo to just get rid of any dryness and to define the curls. So after I bleached the frontal, I just went and pinned it on my ventilated cap just so I knew the placement of where I wanted to sew the frontal down. And as far as placement, I just made sure that the hairline was about 1.5 inches above where the cap lays. So this is what it looks like after I hand sewed it down onto the ventilated cap. And right now I'm just showing you guys my guidelines. As always, I did my guidelines 1 inch apart all throughout, and then at the very, very top near the crown of the frontal, I just went and did them about 1/2 inch apart. And for this unit, I did also go in and add some combs, and I added an adjustable elastic band. So that's what I'm just showing you guys here. And here's what it looks like after I went in on the sewing machine and just added those combs and the adjustable strap. So of course I added the 2 combs in the front. I actually additionally added 2 combs in the back just for additional grip, just because I feel like the back combs that I have are not as big as I wanted them to be. So I just went in and doubled that up to make it appear bigger. And right now I just want to show you guys a water test of just how the hair takes water with no additional product, and how you're able to define the pattern of these bundles with no product whatsoever aside from just water. So as you guys can see, that is the finished look. And it came out pretty nice, you guys. This is after it kind of dried out some. You can see those curls are still there. Like I said, there's no product in it. This is just water. And it definitely has like a very natural curl pattern, which I really, really liked. I feel like as a whole, I liked how this one came out. The density of it was really nice. I used all of the bundles. So this is definitely 4 bundles of the hair. And then on top of that, that 16-inch 13 by 4 frontal. So yeah, you guys, that's the finished look. Let me know how you guys feel about this one. And if there's any other things you guys want me to review, any different hair you want me to try out, any specific wig constructions you want me to try out, just let me know. Leave that in the comments. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.
Will rise all